Hi everyone, this is Sagar. I thought to create this video to show you how to create and configure AWS Free Tier account. You will get the basic things from Google about the creating and launching an instance in AWS. I found most of the things from Google, few things for which I faced difficulties, so thought to keep everything in one video. Hope this will be useful for you guys. We can go to the URL to create our free account in AWS. So this is the from Google we can find the URL and we can give our email address, all the details, whatever you ask, then we'll get an email and your account will be ready in few seconds. So I have already signed up, and I have this console ready for me. So in this, so the basic things which we can start from is EC2. So here I have already one instance which is ready and running. So I'll show you the only the basic things how we can get ready with an instance. For that you need to go to launch instance, and here we can select um, any of the OS like Amazon Linux and Red Hat, SUSE Linux, and Ubuntu. So here all are they have mentioned already in the free tier eligible OS which are available in the list. Here I thought to go with the Ubuntu one, and here also we can select the instance type, and the second one which is eligible for free trial is one CPU, 1 GB memory, and the below that whatever you will choose, that will be cost for you starting from 2 GB memory. So we'll go with the free one, which is 1 GB memory. So if we'll do the mouse rollover, you can find more details uh, about the different contents. So we can click here configure instance, or we can directly go by next configure. So as I'm starting with AWS, so I have very limited knowledge, and we can uh, learn day by day and by creating so many instances and all. Currently I'm going with the default one, whatever is auto selected. I'm not going to change anything, and believe me, this works. So for the storage one, you can, by default it will be 8 GB, and for free trial here they have already made a note which is 30 GB max we can take. So add tags, nothing we need to do, and during the configuration we can select a existing security group, and that we can copy to new. And here is the trick. So we need to select the SSH. By default it will be all traffic. So if we'll select all traffic, it will say that there will be a warning in the final page, and you it will say that will be not able to, the IP, the instance will be accessed by all of the world, all over the world. So I will show you that warning once we can go with here. You can see when we select a create a new security group, you will see here the type is all traffic, and by default the IP address will be 00. And in the review final page we can see your instance may be accessible by any IP address. So this is a warning. So we can go ahead and change the type to SSH, and this should be that is fine. We can go ahead with that one, with the 000, and here we can, that's all. and we can go ahead and launch this. So here it will be asking to create a key. So you can go ahead and create a new key and give some name. Test to this one, download key page. So the key is already downloaded and launch instance. It will take a couple of minutes to get ready by AWS. So meantime, we'll go to the dashboard and see the status. Here you can see the old one is running and the new one is getting ready. Now the instance status is in running status, but the status check is still in initializing status. So we'll wait for some more minute. So now now we can see the instance is ready to use, and I will show you how we can access the instance from our local system by using putty. So we have downloaded the key file while doing the setup of our AWS instance. So but this is in .pem format, and I'll show you how we can convert and get the PKP format. And here we will be using the putty.exe file, which you can download anywhere from Google. So I have got this website, and I will definitely put the link in the description for both AWS portal link and this Puttigen link. So here you can see the 64-bit or 32-bit as per your OS configuration. You can download the file as I have already downloaded. I just need to go there and execute the .exe file, load the PEM file. For that, you need to follow the process, the PEM, and here we can do the save private key. Yes, so it will ask the name, anything. You can give the same underscore ppk, save it. So here we can see, so the types would be RSA as I have understood from different website. So here you can see the ppk file is generated. Now we'll go to putty. Here this was my first instance which I had created earlier. So now we will, okay, so now how to get the host name. So again I need to go here and click this. Here we can see the connect. So here you can see the host name is mentioned here, so that we can copy, and the username is Ubuntu. So both we can copy. So beside to this we can also get the host name from here. Here you can see this is the host name, or you can also use by using the IP address we can also log in. So I'll show you both. So as I have copied the host name with the username, the username is Ubuntu. So the port is 22, and we can give some name AWS S2 or instance 2, and then I can save this. So here it is saved, and here in SSH authentication we need to upload the ppk file which we generated. Our ppk file name was this. So I just upload it and then open. So here you can see it is directly taking us to the instance. Here we can do whatever if we want to install any software like Java or Hadoop or any kind of software you can install on Linux and do your R&D or analysis further. So now we logged into our instance successfully. So during my first instance setup, I find a few difficulty while logging in. So I did some troubleshoot and I found things in Google, and the steps are we need to check here. This is our instance, and here in the description part we need to see our inbound security group. Port number 22 is selected and it is open. So this is the a screen where we can see it is opened or not. And if still you are finding and mm, it is not allowing you to log in, so then you can go to security group, or you can see here, we can see the name of the security group and go here in the security group and choose our security which is used for our instance here inbound. And the IP address is used 000, which we can change it by going in your edit button and select my IP. So this IP you can do like this. So it sometime might help. And here I will show you to log in again. That error because I did not save the putty session completely. So now if we'll sometimes selecting my IP helps, and here you can see I'm able to log in successfully. So thanks everyone for watching my video, and I'll come up with new videos if I find anything which is not easily available in Google. Thanks. Bye.